just got this Black & Decker battery tender from Amazon. Put the link in the description. I'm gonna give it a shot. I've used the name brand battery tender before. I'm gonna give this a shot. So we'll see how it works out. So this is everything that comes with it. Charger. It's a nice switch. You can go from 12 to 6 volts. I don't know who uses 6 volts anymore, but I guess it's nice to have that option. Cord, plenty of length there. The other cord that plugs into the adapters. Looks like we got alligator clips, which is nice. A cigarette lighter. If you plug in your cigarette lighter, charge it. I don't know if I would do that personally, but I guess there's that option. And what I'm going to use is goes right on the battery terminals, so you can plug it in. And all right, so we got it hooked up. See, it was flashing. Now it's solid, so it looks like the battery's charged, but it will maintain that charge. Nice thing about a battery tender. I was going to use the direct feed, but I'm going to get a different terminal for it. Ended up using the alligator clips, and it works fine for right now. And most people, I'm sure, will use that. If you would get a Harley or a motorcycle or such, or a classic car, you can install it with the permanent plug, and it should work just fine. So we'll give it a couple weeks, and we'll make another video and see how I like it. And we'll check it with the voltmeter. Thanks for watching.